Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a presentation using AI. So it's actually super simple. You're just going to type in create, for instance, 10, let's do 7 slides for a presentation based on the history, history of, let's say, William Shakespeare. Is that how you spell his name? I'm sorry if I spelled his name wrong. I'm just going to press enter. And as you can see, it's going to basically type in for you the slides. You can even press yes so that ChatGPT can actually create the presentation. Oh, wait. Well, first you need to do that and then make me the presentation in like a okay, so here, turn it into a Google Slides file. You can also do PowerPoint if you want to. And then it's going to turn it into either a PowerPoint file or a Google Slides file. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then you're going to select download here. And then once it's downloaded, you can either open it now or you can basically use Google Slides to open it. Oh my gosh, I can't. I need to actually open it in Google Slides, sorry. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's still a little bit messy, but you can make it neater, I guess, in ChatGPT by making it add images and stuff like that, but at least it's now in slides that you can edit. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.